Mako and our Mako bicameral members.
Hi, Chief Robbie.
Please kindly convey to the AFP, to our men and women in uniform, that as we committed, that the subsistence daily allowance from 150 to 350 has not only been approved, but has been approved and it's being signed right now, and we will ratify the bicameral report this afternoon. So please step up. That's all fake news. Basta nasalita tayo when we speak. As a speaker in the House, when we speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority, sir. Please tell the men and women in the AFP, top priority po kayo. And we are fully committed to support all of you and keep your morale high. Always take care of you. Please convey that. Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay kayo na. Okay. So the design here in the BICAM that will be ratified tonight in the plenary. We will ratify the budget on Wednesday, and the President will sign it into law. That is as good as gold. So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we had committed in some ballots to you and to the troops. Mabuhay. We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th. Aguinaldo. Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them. We assure them more for next year as well.
Fine. Right. How are you?
Magandang hapon. Okay naman po siya. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have good news. Kinento ko sa iyo kanina, we just finished signing the bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. Pasok yung sinabi ko sa iyo when we met last week sa Misibis.
Opo, sir.
Okay, naipasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAB. Now, naipasok ulit namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total yung buong 350 pesos na... Yeah.
Can I take a video of you, sir?
Sure.
Yes, sir. I can show it to the staff, sir, as the personnel when I talk to them next on the 14th, on the Saturday, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Maganda yan malaman ng mga staff na we are taking care of instruction by our speaker, instruction by the president. Maganda yan na malaman ikaw sa Solcom to malaman ng mga troops natin. And actually, we'll see you on Friday. Are you coming sa Darating ka ba sa Friday? Oh, December 13.
Yes, sir.
Ganda ng formal natin.
Sir, sa evening na siguro, sir.
Evening. Kung dadating si speaker. Speaker kami ulit ng dalawa. So, we'll inform you on that. So, hopefully, ma-approve ngayon sa plenary for ratification yung pinirma ng BICAM. Sa Senate, they will also approve it also this afternoon. Para yung 7.5 na nare-receive ng CAPCO, magkakaroon sila more or less dagdag na 10,500. So that's more than double of their salary.
Yes, sir.
So, please, okay, na-inform din namin kanina si Chief Browner, but I want to inform you mismo diretso kasi tayo nag-usap ng sa Misibis and we announced it that na we'll make sure na an additional of 8 billion on the BICAM. Thank God na we're successful tayo na naipasok natin ito sa kasundaluhan. So please inform our soldiers na natuloy and then the president will approve the budget more or less December 20. So once approved yan, starting next year, meron ng allocation ng ating mga kasundaluhan ng 350 pesos a day na subsistence allowance.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Makakarating po, sir. I'll show the video to all our staff and mga sundalo po dito sa Solcom, sir.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Thank you for your service. Kami here to support the AFP, the military in uniform. So, yung mga black propaganda dyan na we are close with the left, dito to yan. Gawa-gawa nila yan para lang, alam mo na, yung mga budol-budol dyan. So, anyway, that's it. We're successful and thank God na tuloy ito. Yeah.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you.
Do you have, can we request a short Christmas message sa ating mga tao, sir, sa mga personnel natin, mga tropa?
Oh, yeah, sure. To all our soldiers in the ground, you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Dahil dito sa subsistence allowance, this would be the legacy of the BBM administration under the leadership of the House, Speaker Martin Romualdez. And we appreciate your service to the nation, lahat na tulong ninyo sa pagdepensa sa ating bansa, sa ating sovereignty, sa ating peace and order. kinikilala po ng leadership ng House of Representatives, Speaker Martin Romualdez, ang inyong tulong sa ating mga kababayan, sa ating buong bansa. Kaya kami nagpapasalamat, and we know matagal na itong badly needed, but we just heard it last August kay Chief Browner na kung pwede may pasok. So right there and then, hinabol natin to sa HGAB, then now additional of another 8 billion, naging 16 billion. So again, congratulations sa inyong lahat, and hopefully masumaya ang inyong Pasko and sumaya ang inyong New Year, and hopefully the life of each soldier will have an improvement. Thank you.
Definitely, sir. Sir, maraming salamat po, sir. Stay safe, sir. At a Merry Christmas din po, sir, from your family dito sa Southern Luzon.
Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Bye-bye.